Pakistan vs New Zealand T20 Series 2024. First T20 match. Match schedule and both team best playing 11. Date 18 April. Time 7 p.m. Venue Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium.
Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Mohammad Rizwan. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Gauhar Zaman. Number 5 Azam Khan. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed.
Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Imad Wasim. Number 9 Nasim Shah.
Number 10 Shansha Apridi.
Number 11 Muhammad Amir.
New Zealand team playing 11.
Number 1 Tom Blundell. Number 2 Tim Seifert. Number 3 Cole McConsey. Number 4 Josh Clarkson. Number 5 Michelle Bracewell. Number 6 Mark Chapman. Number 7 Jimmy Nisham. Number 8 Ben Lister. Number 9 Jacob Duffy. Number 10 Ishodi. Number 11 Ben Sears.